Vamos a ver. Hello, traders. How are you?
Player refreshed.
On the breakdown, the full-time employment change, a prior loss of 11.6 thousand, or part-time, a prior gain of 48.9 thousand. Participation rates at 65.3% expected, and capacity utilization for the fourth quarter from Canada, 80% expected. So looking to the range of estimates here from some of the major banks, Citigroup at the lower end of the range with 145,000 expected for NFP, Westpac 170, with TD Securities 190, Wells Fargo 195 as well, HSBC in line with consensus at 200,000, JP Morgan as well with consensus 200,000. On the upper end, we do have Goldman Sachs at 215,000, the highest Barclays at 225,000. So looking to that HSBC notes, again expecting NFP rising 200,000 in February. Bad weather appears to have led to a decline in average weekly hours in January and may have contributed to the outsized 0.6% month-to-month increase in the average hourly earnings that month. If so, that could mean a more subdued reading in February. Overall, expecting AHE increase 0.2% with a year-on-year rising to 4.4%. Expecting the unemployment rate unchanged at 3.7%. Labour force participation rate rising slightly to 62.6%.
All right, so you heard that. We are 8 minutes until non-farm payroll, so looking for you gold longs to get filled on a sweep. Uh, okay. So, where is it? Where the fuck? I haven't placed it. Ooh. So risking 0.5% here. I will get filled. There you go. Uh-oh. Alright. That's good. Don't phone payroll Friday. Nice trade yesterday in the Nasdaq, right? Who got in with me and banked on that? I'm hungry too. I think I'm gonna order something to eat. This is a two hour. Nothing crazy for non-farm payrolls. Um, oh shit. Uh-uh. And my risk is always 0.50%. Should be risking less because it's NFP. Actually, I'm gonna risk half of that. Uh-huh. 0.25% risk. Uh, because NFP. Yes, I want to risk 0.25% on this trade only. Bold. Cool beans, man. All right. All right. Good. This is good. So, what's up, man? How are you? How are you, NJ? Good morning. Yesterday, Nasdaq was amazing. Yes. Luckily, I stayed in the S&P 500 trade also. Awesome. That's great. So yesterday you really fucking banked. Yeah. All right, this is my idea in gold, right? I also have an idea on the um, Japanese yen, but I'm good. I'm gonna focus on gold. Where the fuck is it? Yeah, so the Japanese yen. Um, what? Yeah, just look at how much liquidity there's here. Actually, you know what? I should be, I should be taking this. We have a breaker block here. We should be taking this. This is insanely good setup on the Japanese yen. So let's have a look and find a market. What I can see here is that the euro yen yields the best setup. So what the fuck was this? No pullback on the euro yen yesterday. Oh, sorry, I just woke up. I can in fact look for some shorts here on the Japanese yen, but because we are in non-farm payrolls,
That's 3 minutes ago now to the headline NFP print for February with the consensus seeing 200,000 gain. Again, with the unemployment rate 3.7% expected, average hourly earnings month on month of 0.2%, year on year 4.3%. The labour force participation rate 62.6% expected from the US. On the breakdown, private payrolls 165,000, while manufacturing payrolls 7,000. Over to Canada again, net change in employment again of 20,000 expected with unemployment rate 5.8. A final note here from Citi, they're expecting 145,000 increase in NFP. December and January's figures were likely boosted by a steel seasonal adjustment factors, which did positively offset non-seasonally adjusted declines in each of these months. The unemployment rate should rebound to 3.8% in February from 3.7% as well, they add, although with risks that remains at 3.7% if the participation rate remains subdued. So there are some modest downside risks to their forecast as well. They note as if hours worked rebounds more than they are expecting, but they think the drag on hours worked due to the cold weather in January was limited and thus aggregate hours could bounce back only modestly.
oh shit, I have to cut my risk in half because it's NFP. Forgot about that. 0.50 lot. Okay, so we're good. Focus on there. Go long. So as you heard, we are expecting lower uh, numbers, NFP numbers, right? So if you can see here, all right, boy. Um, Last month's NFP numbers were huge, 353,000 jobs added to the economy. We only expecting 188. Cities expecting 145. Um, Wells Fargo expecting 135.
1 minute to go now. 1 minute.
Let's see what happens, man. Uh, let's trade the volatility.
We are seeing some dollar weakness coming through here before the data as well. Treasury yields extending their declines.
Boom, boom, boom. Uh, Shoulda, woulda, woulda, coulda, coulda.
10 seconds.
My stops might be a little there you go. Like this.
275,000 for NFP with the unemployment rate at 3.9%. Hourly earnings month on month 0.1%, year on year
Still
at
go long.
4.3%,
Still
participation
go
rate at
long.
62.5%. Over to Canada with the
Still
net
go
change in employment
long.
at 40.7 thousand, unemployment rate at
Um,
5.8.
Let's
Skinner beat, that's the US change in non-farm payrolls coming in higher than expected,
I'm gonna put the
275,000 for
break
the
even
month
here.
versus expected 200,000.
Well, let
On the
me see
breakdown,
if we
private
ever
payrolls
cross
at
one of those break
223,000,
even.
manufacturing a loss of 4,000. Unemployment rate ticking higher at 3.9% versus expected
Yeah,
3.7, with the hourly earnings average month-to-month
there
0.1%,
you go.
as below the expected 0.2, year-on-year at 4.3% in line. Participation rate at
To our
62.5%.
here,
Again, just a final look to Canada with
boom.
the net change in
Take
employment
it
at
to our great trade.
40.7 thousand versus the
Boom.
expected
That's
gain of 20,000.
amazing.
Unemployment rates at
Amazing.
5.8%.
Amazing. Amazing. Target hits in
Just
gold.
seeing some prior visions as
Bam.
well
That's
to
how you
NFP coming
fucking
in at
trade the
gain of
news.
229,000
That's how
prior
you
revised.
fucking trade the news.
And this reaction here seeing S&P 500
I'm gonna
futures
create a
erasing their
bunch of
pre-market
that.
decline while 10-year yields jumping.
TP. Boom. Who was on that trade with me? There you go. Should I have left a runner? Nah. There you go. Amazing trade. I want to hear it from you, from the chat. I want to hear it from the chat. If not, I'm not going to do this again anymore. Come on. I want to hear it from the chat. This is how we trade off. You're still open, engine? Amazing. Well, there you go. There you go. Boom, I'm done for the week, guys. I am done for the week. I'm done for the week. That's how you fucking do it. Yeah. No need, no need to. Yeah, so you deleted the TP. Now you're up what? 4R? Shit, you should take profit, man. I mean, that's just me. That's just me saying. That's just me saying. That's just me saying. That's just me saying. All right, man. Thank you for joining me. Quick 2R, quick 0.5% trading NFPs. Let's just have a look at what would have been of the euro yen. Nothing. Uh, I'm sorry. Just woke up. Look at the Nasdaq. I mean, U.S. equity is moving horribly wrong. I don't know what the fuck I did. Hold on. Uh, oh, here. Okay, so I'm done for the week. That's how you talking, dude. 2180, I take profit. You know, that's. I'm gonna tell you something. Let me just type something out. Yeah, I'm super hungry too. 2180 was already hit, man. But hold on. All right, so here's the thing. Um, for example, let's say that I was still on this trade, and that I say, you know what? I'm gonna take profit at 385. I'm gonna take profit at 385. At 385, I'm out. Why? Why 385? I don't understand. Why 380? I don't understand. Why
Post NFP
385?
here, traders still seeing
We are
June start to
all-time
the Fed rate
highs.
cuts.
We're all-time highs. There's no reason behind that 280 notice. And if you would have said at 285, our price would have never hit that, and you would have missed on all of that. To me, it doesn't make sense. That's all. All right. Congratulations. Um, and yeah. Have a great weekend. Stay away from your charts. Drink a beer and make love to your wife. Goodbye.